Yes, my people, and we're back. And right now we just reached the next hardware that I want to show you guys. It's called Budget Supplies. And this one is right around 3 Mile. Right on Ugly Park roadside though. Let's turn the camera around and show you. Budget Supplies, my people. Budget Supplies. So my people, I'll go in there and show you the place and show the prices. I don't know if we can video tape, but we still gonna try our best to get as much shots and clips. Alright my peeps. Yes, my people, but try to check the budget already, but you can't go inside to see the stuff them. You have to tell them what you want. So, I'm not even seeing a tile like that when we do, and a couple tiles alone them have there and stuff. So, I never see. So, I'm going to do a 2-in-1 video for them two hardware, but budget, you don't really see nothing over there what would I want for the budget side of it. So, I will make a walk and still try to find the hardware properly and see what I go. Simple as that. Alright my people, so still there at 3 Mile right now. I make the walk, I go down and see what can go on. Alright. So this is the new or old, you can call it. So if you never see the bridge, if you never come to Jamaica and see the bridge, it's underneath the bridge where I think it's woman things or fields or one of them hardware there. But when we reach around there, we'll see it. Understand my people? But like I say, it's gonna be a 2-in-1 video now my people. But people more than like and share same way, you know. And subscribe, you know. You understand? Because we make it work, you know. We tell us we have to out of Jamaica and make the dream work, right? Now walk, you see where I walk foot. You see it, car soon come pick me up though. So I'm go up to the house. And tell them some more. Come down here so first, come do some vlog videos. I don't know how much time I will come down here, so I have the time of the day. Just forward, we come get it out of the way. You see it? Simple as that, my people. When people are fast down here, you see people. Time now look upon you like, sure, they making that you want to record and stuff down here. But this is 3 Mile, my people. Underneath the bridge of 3 Mile with it right now. You can see the place. Yes, my people, yes, man. So, right underneath the bridge with it with people. A little vlogging. I go around, I think it's Spanish Town Road. We'll go on to find the place. Yes. Spanish Town Road, my people. Do places you can buy your stuff them and things like that. Yeah man, my people. Just a walk through and do my thing fast, you know, people like they say. Don't really trust too much people. So we have to just hurry up, push and go through. I don't want an argument with nobody in this place. You understand? But yes my people, we're underneath the bridge right now. 3 Mile bridge. The overhead bridge. Yes my people. So this is now underneath the bridge. See it for yourself. I'm gonna walk around there hardware. They're on Spanish Town Road now. The people. Yeah man. Spanish Town Road now. Where we go? People, remember the youth that's coming at the song? I can't remember the name. But the madman they don't wanna skeng song them and like them say me go shoot up or kill you. That's him right there, but I don't want to record him. But that's him right there, so. You understand? So them use up the people them slangs and thing and this. And people still out the road that beg money. People, I can tell you say, Jamaica is very expensive. Every little thing what you do. Yes, my people. Very expensive down here, my people. But like I said, I still gotta try and do as much you can do to complete this one project right now. But right now I'm walking to the hardware supply store right there, so I'm gonna wait on the car to pick me up. I'm not gonna leave there so till them pick me up from right there so I can go up at the house. Because you know, me go out of my way, name out here for the car. And my cousin borrow the car and go on the road. So sorry, me walk it down. You understand? Oh, and 20 minutes what me I walk right now, still I walk. But I want to show owner the place same way and stuff. So end of the day I done promising, you know. So I reach on the other side. And this way I come here come do. And a couple first day I come in and people name want vlog, you know. And that's the mindset. Then I say, you know, I go down there go vlog, yeah, man, show the people them. So yes, my people, so now we're at the next hardware right now. I can't see the name. What the hardware name, Daddy? Tools. Alright people, we are Tools hardware right now. Alright. We are Tools hardware. So may I stop the video and start it back. You see them people? We got Tools hardware. And this is at Spanish Town Road. And what you call that? Spanish Town Road and Agley Park Road. 3 mile, right at 3 mile people. Tool hardware right around the bridge. Alright my people. So I'm gonna go inside and check out the prices. Right now people, we're in Tools and I'm gonna show you all of the tiling and stuff what them have inside here and show you the prices and stuff them have inside here also for every local thing. You understand my people? So I still gonna go cut and go through and see, but people them have some nice style already. I'm just reach in. Check them tiles out people. Check them nice styles out. Some of them out of stock, but this is our $4,000 for one piece. 3 piece to a box. But $4,000 I think for 1 or 3 piece I get for $4,000. You don't understand? This one is nice too, my people. 3,500. Quick question, Daddy. Quick question. A 1 piece I get for this or on a 3 piece? 1 piece, eh? Oh. A bathroom tile, them can work for bathroom too? Yeah? Okay. So then you can work for bathroom tiles right here, some people. And you see the price here, my people, right now, the pan steel out. 3,500 for 1 piece. Alright. Again, right here, so 3,500 for 1 piece. But I love this for the washroom. Right here, some people. So that'd be nice for all the room. But 1 piece, I need about 25 pieces of that. It's a nice big piece right here. How much is this? This is porcelain. So are those ones good for bathrooms? For washroom?
Washroom?
Yeah.
Where in the washroom? Those are like countertop and floor tiles.
Oh, okay. So it wouldn't be for the shower side.
The shower?
Yeah.
Wall tile for the bathroom?
What floor and wall tile?
What you have to use matte finish for in the bath of the bathroom.
Yeah.
Which is like this.
Okay. So people, this is the floor tile.
This is for the bath.
For the bath inside.
Inside the bath.
Yeah. This one don't look too bad too. And this was $1,400 a piece.
14. Yes. No, $1,449.99 plus tax.
For 1 piece. How big is 1 piece? Oh, just this alone.
Yes. This is a 62 by 62, which is actually nearly
DJ pocket. Come again?
This is almost 25, 26 by 26.
Alright, thanks. So them on the rope too. So I don't know people who can buy. This one right just look nice, you know my people. But that one not gonna work. This can't work for floor tile.
Of course.
Oh, okay. For the but the shower side.
No, you have to use matte finish.
You see, that's what that But they have no more matte finish one that looks like this. That's why I was.
Man, matte finish course. What come to your
Yeah.
See?
The feeling. Yeah, but me I say the look.
For the
They have no
shower.
more look that looks like matte finish, but looks like this one. That's what I'm trying to say.
Oh, like this.
Yeah. Yeah, this I don't matte this. No.
For the bath.
Yeah. You don't want something that look like that.
You can't use it for your bath.
No, I'm not gonna use them. Just the look of it. You see, I didn't want the gray. I want like something like this, but the matte finish for it, for the bar.
Oh.
Yeah.
How much is this one? This is
Yeah.
also a matte finish.
Yeah, that's a bit brighter. How much is this? 1,000. 1,200 for the one. Oh, $900 for one.
$910.
Okay.
Yeah, because them here green.
Yeah.
Them here for bathroom.
For
Yeah.
floor. They won't drop when
Them
you
here
use the bath.
kind of slippery. If
Yes.
you water wet it, you gonna drop.
That could have the good for the wall.
Yeah,
That's for the floor.
floor like this. Yeah.
Okay.
Somebody like that. But this, okay, your bathroom.
Shower.
I kind of roughly.
Gotta rub your foot.
Yes.
And we have others. When I feel it, check.
We have others.
Wills.
Some people shall bring me on to the matte finish tiles them, because I have to come back and I go to the house today so I can get the tile them. We need the tile them. Yeah.
Another set of matte finish tile.
Look a bit more brighter. I like the black. No, I don't like the one there.
I like this.
Having a
Which other one?
is this one this one over here? No.
This. Have some over here.
So she's showing us the bathroom tiles, the matte finish.
Matte finish.
I kind of like this rugged one too, you know, and this cheaper too. It's 800.
This is also a matte finish tile. This is an 18 by 18.
I don't like that one there.
You like that one?
Too much I go on for. I don't like the one them too much I go on for them.
Oh!
Yeah, that's why I like the.
like this one?
No, that too much. I like.
Matte finish tile.
Too much I go on feet, my people. People wanna think. Think too much I go on feet too.
You know, a good tile will give you for your money. Good tile. It's a ceramic. This is a floor tile.
I'm not getting no floor. I have floor tile already. That's the bathroom.
Just for the shower, stand up and in the shower.
Yes, that's it.
And you don't want that.
No,
I'll show you one down there. So.
Even if I don't want a wooden looking one.
No, we're not.
No wooden looking one. Okay.
Black Friday take everything.
So when are the best time you think for come and buy them then?
You don't like that picture?
Color, it's too close to the color of the next style what we are putting at the shower. So I might have to get one of them.
Like this?
No, I'm too much I go on. You know,
Too much
Rocky.
I go on.
Eh.
No, sir, you can't find too much I go on.
That one is not bad too, you know, but I know matte finish. This one.
Yes, it is. Feel it.
Oh.
Feel it.
How much is that one there? A $500. Yes, my people. So now we're looking back at the tiles. My people, I'm not gonna lie, you know, the prices they're not bad at all. So this is $500 per one tile. So it depends how much tile you want and thing. Same thing with here. It's a $500 piece again. No, $800 a piece for this one. But yes, my people, we're at Tools right now, and yeah, me just walk around and showing you some prices of the stuff them. So hopefully, when you can see proper prices them. So hopefully the camera autofocus on them phone now. I'm showing you. This are the bathroom, the wall tile them right now, my people. For your washrooms and stuff. Yes, man, my people. Cause even this wall tile right as I was looking at, you know, it's nice, you know. And these are $500. $500 a piece for them. So that's a 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So that'll be $4,500 right here, so for the one side of your wall. And then you go so you have 3 more side of your wall to get done. So that's about $15,000 right there, some people. Yeah man, so the wall them there. So that'll be about $15,000. And again, it depends on which one you want and the price is. But me I like, oh, this one's not bad too. And them tile look cheaper too, you know, my people. But I have wall tile already. I'm gonna put it on the wall. I'm gonna use it on the floor, put it on the wall also. And probably just get a next design and just put it a streak that go up in the middle of it. Make them cut it. So this is the tile I might be getting for the house. For the flooring, for the shower. Because I like this one. And the price is not bad enough, my people. $400 you can say per tile. I may only need probably 10 pieces of tile. So now we're gonna walk more up in the hardware section now. For sure how it look. But I'm still gonna look on some more tiles, you know, my people, because I like this flooring one too. This wooden look. And this is $700 a piece. So now, again, people, we got tools, hardware. If you want like your what them call them thing, you know, tubs. See the price them for the tubs, them people. If you want a tub, nice tub and stuff like that. I'll take it a time at a time, you know. A nice little enclosure shower unit. The price is $40,000 right there, my people. $40,000 right there, some people. Doors and things right there, my people. $26,000, $16,000, $59,000, $49,000. So I'm one there. $20,000, $45,000, $64,000, $64,000. No more want a door with a mirror upon it. And that look nice, you know, my people. $26,000 for that door. Nice door that too, man. You see that cheap door right there, so people, $30,000. Vanish wood. You know? Can do for like inside doors. Might have to grab one of them there. But I want a door with the mirrors on them. Because I have like a sliding door. And these are probably the little cheap white flimsy doors them. That you can buy. And put in the place. Yeah, these doors, you see price in the people. $20,000 for them one. Yeah, 20 grand for them. And yeah, the one them gonna paint up the hard work, oak one them probably pine panels them call them. $15,000 one for them one, my people. So again, my people, you can get away if you want paints now. You get paints. Still I go through. Now we're gonna look at the what I mean now, the toilets then our people and the prices them. The price then our people. The toilet them. You want a light mirror. Light mirror them now have it. Oh yeah, 10 grand we say or 19 grand. Nice little light mirror them. The next one right here, some people. $41,000 for that, people. You know? Yes, the people. Some air conditioning units right here, so. Again, people, are tools hardware. Air conditioning units. Don't worry, people, I go around to a lot more at the unit they are the store them and showing the price as much as possible. So I'm look at my people. Look like a sufferer in a Jamaica right now. But I'm not gonna see them in my people. See there? Nice little units. Let me see the prices. $64,000. $40,000 for this. How much for this one? $56,000. This one not bad enough, my people. For 56. Yes, man, my people. I go on. I know I look for to, you know, my people, because when me there at Toronto, you know, I'm dying to get some footage like these from people, you know, man. Dying. Can't see the one that I bought. I think I bought something like this one, you know, my people. So, but this is $92,000. So I don't think of that one I buy. But it's something similar with a glass on it like this. But I don't know how much there I go for. Yeah, man, I think of this 54,000, 44,000. Something like this my people think me get. Or this one. I never did. Yeah, man, 39,000. See it now, my people. Think of this me did get, you know, my people. Right, yes, so yes, one. See me there, you know, my people. That me did get. Alright. But like me say, my people, we are look for only, you know, man. And the price 74,000 for that, my people. So nice little one, you know, 50 grand for this. So I'm looking now. I think I wanted this one, but it was a little bit too much expensive. No, not really, you know. But you're gonna buy 3, my people. It will be a lot, you know. And then we go and look through them. 42,000 for just that alone. 45,000. When I look, people, at least you can see. If you need nothing to build your house and stuff like that, and if you don't need me to go around the next door, then just let me know. I'm record it for my people. Okay, my people, so yes, I think I need to buy some painting supplies. Also, one day when I come down here, yeah, I need to buy a couple of paint rollers. But yes, my people, this is where I'm gonna exit out of the videos. You know, I think I'm showing a lot, and it's gonna be again 2 videos in 1. Alright, my people, so I just want them to do what, like, share, and subscribe, you know, my people. I'm big on you, you know. That's all I'm asking for, my people, just to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. So people say we have put out content now again, you know, my people. Hard, you know. So I always go in and out, but once I have time, we're going to drop them. And through the Wi-Fi when I have not too good, but I'm still going to try my best. While I'm there in Jamaica, we put out at least 2 content a week. See, and we are out 3, depending. But we're going to buy house right now, my people. So you don't know, say, we are going to videotape up this and show no way house there right and now. Alright, my people, and bless up. And remember again, my people, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. 4162 876 Jamaica. I'm out.